Right guys, our second example we're going to look at today, y is directly proportional to x squared, okay? Y is going to equal something multiplied by x squared this time, which is different to example 1 because that was just y is equal to something multiplied by x. This has now got an x squared involved, and that's important. When x is 3, y is 27, okay? Find x when y is 12, find y when x is 10. So same as before guys, I'm going to start off by creating my equations. So y is directly proportional to x squared, which means that y is equal to something times x squared. I'm going to substitute in the parts that I know, which are x is 3 and y is 27. So 27 is equal to something times by 3 squared. 27 is equal to something times by 9, which means that k must be 3. Okay? So we've just worked through that. We've written out our statement. We've written out the equation that shows that statement. We've then substituted in our two values from the question. X is 3 and y is 27, and we've worked out what k is. Once we know what k is, we can write our equation out of y is equal to 3 lots of x squared. So, part A. Okay, we are asked to find x when y is 12. So the same starting point. Let's write down our equation. Y is equal to 3x squared. Find x when y is 12. Substitute in the part that we know. And we're looking for x. We need to divide both sides of this equation by 3. And then we need to square root both sides of this equation. So we get x is equal to 2. For part B, in this case, write out your equation. Substitute in the part that you know from the question. Find y when x is 10. So we just need to find out what y is going to be when x is 10. So we've got y is equal to 3 lots of 10 squared, which means y is equal to 3 lots of 100, which means that y is equal to 300. And that's that question answered. Okay, so I'll just show you the full working. We find our equation that we're going to use, and then we use the equation. Each time just substituting in the part that we're given from the question. So, guys, could you please have a go at this question now? So pause the video and have a go at this one. Okay guys, you should have paused the video and had a go at this question now. So if you just want to look at the answers. So you should have got y is equal to 5x squared as your equation. And then you should have got y is equal to 45 when x is equal to 3. And you should have got x is equal to 5 when y is equal to 125. Okay.